The other reconciliation method is called the transactional reconciliation method. This will be the type of reconciliation method that you will most likely deal with as a new bookkeeper. This process consists of going through the books line by line, source document by source document, to make sure that every transaction syncs up and is accounted for. Now, because you are looking at every source document for every transaction, this method is a very detailed process and gives you a microscopic view into the financial working of a business, which is a good thing. However, depending on the size of the business, going line by line is extremely time-consuming and can lead to delays producing financial statements at the end of a reporting period. Just think of how many business transactions a company the size of Intuit has every month. That's a whole lot of source documents. Here, let's sit a spell and hear from one of our experts.
Another type and more common type of reconciliation is transactional, which basically you are comparing from an outside document to the books, row by row, transaction by transaction, to make sure both the statement and the books have the exact same transaction recorded. So that is transactional. You usually, if you're using an accounting software, you're going to check off each transaction that has cleared the bank. And hopefully, when you're finished with that reconciliation, the cleared balance in the books will now match the cleared balance on the bank statement at the statement end date. Some things that bookkeepers can get confused with that is if there's extra transactions sitting there unreconciled. Those should definitely be looked at before finalizing a reconciliation, just to ensure that there's no duplicates. Or if there's something missing, there's something on the source document from the bank that is not in the books, it needs to be coded in there and posted. So make sure that everything that's on the statement is in the books. That is a transactional reconciliation, and it just ensures that all the work you've been doing all month is completely accurate and verified with an outside document.